Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Didi Makopo. I'm coming from a company called TT Digital Printing Hub. TT Digital Printing Hub, it's a business that designs, that brands, that prints. So we actually doing all the signages, we identify businesses, we do all the necessary identification of the businesses. We promote Kasi brands, we promote individuals, we do individuals and company brands and everything that you can think of when coming to a business brand. The company, my company Digital Print was born last year. It was formed last year due to due to COVID. I lost my actually day-to-day, my 9-to-5 job. So this is when I saw the opportunity as a woman with vision, a woman with, compassionate to do something for myself. I saw an opportunity to do this business. This is when the digital print was born. We'll be celebrating exactly a year on the 10th of this month. Then what we do, we print as I've explained, and everything that we do for businesses, we do for individuals, we do for all the brands. And now another thing that I can say, I supply for, as you can see, I brought my products here. This is my client's product where they are identifying. This is to support my statement on whatever that I'm telling you about. This is when you want to showcase or give somebody a gift. This is when you are doing a launch or whatever that you want to invite people with invitations. This is actually the business that sells the restaurant. So this is the flyers for them. Oh, by the way, we have an agency as well that is doing property. So if you want to be out there, you want to showcase your business, please allow us to be in your space to help you grow your business, to identify you. Another thing that I can tell you about my business is that we grow and support everyone that is in the business place. Thank you so much. Lastly, what I want to tell you is that be out there, come with us, and let us support each other. Let us engage more. You can find us on Facebook account, which is TT Digital Print Hub, and then you can find us on WhatsApp, which is the number is 078-737-4926, and then you can call us directly on 071-129-2738. We are situated at corner shop number E7 at Township, corner Krugerstrop and Main Street in Johannesburg, Maboneng area. Hi, my name is Didi. I'm a township entrepreneur.